bake what we're going to use in doing the rolls. Yes, your flour, sugar, baking powder, and a little bit of salt, and then butter. And now we're going to stir this thing very well, and then steal those chicken's egg, and then pour it inside of this thing, and pour a little bit of water. And then now you're going to do what I'm doing here, and then put the fish in between this stuff, and then you're going to cut it into little pieces, and then put some water inside so that the thing doesn't burst when you're frying. And then you fry these delicious fish rolls, and then this thing is ready. Look at how it's looking, very nice and crunchy. And then I'm going to test it, guys. This thing is very nice. I think the only issue I have is the fact that it's very sugary. Maybe it's my own problem. I don't like too much sugar, you get. But aside from that,